Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to the three-dot menu. Do not delay. Click Help, then About Google Chrome so the browser can check for updates. Once done, Chrome will tell you the current version and whether an update is available, so you know why this screen matters. Make sure you're on power or have enough battery. Updates may restart the browser. If you use managed work profiles, be aware policies can block updates. Once Chrome finds an update, it downloads in the background. You'll see progress on the About page. You should save any unsaved work now, because you'll need to click Relaunch to complete installation. After you hit Relaunch, Chrome closes and reopens quickly, applying the update. Make sure extensions sync correctly. Normally, your bookmarks, passwords, and settings stay intact. If you use multiple profiles, check each profile's About page to confirm. After relaunch, verify the new version on the About page and test a couple of sites to confirm functionality. If the update didn't apply, first restart your laptop and try again. Sometimes a background process blocks installation. Make sure firewall or enterprise admin policies aren't preventing updates. Contact IT if managed. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome or run Chrome's cleanup utility to remove interfering software. This fixes most stubborn update problems and keeps your browser secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.